Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV alarban ling a breaking news ray which ka South Sudan uh, kam general a kay tong kene kirma yadit ka do badana wach ke je ngu mu wach ke je bana je linkel ka ngu me dane kwany ke je kirma yadit gore je no bana je linkel shikame cha je lingwasame gore je no biya je nywaka ko kien mi jiram jidit ka Noor Online TV channel gore je no jin de subscribe ko de lertiti de kan kula mala shu gosneten gor kon kan wode ko ten gor jen bi comment bi share ki be men gujina wode lat bi lat bana right me bana jeling naga jelo ngono de ner kenyam shirka man chala ne won mal te kay yene dial ko de la rwani la kal yanka ka Noor Online TV channel naga jeno be jen nyaka yekel ka rwani te ti ten kon lat ka rodien re wich ka so Sudan ka do badana shaga nun ka je gor no bi je chu nyaka ne ko kien and breaking news me you know gwase dan me kwany ka kwere me kwere cha kwany general a kech tong a liu ne tung wana long chu loidien chu tes rewi ka sosdan me cha general a kech tong a liu kwany akir me yadit chu ne tung wana long chu kan gujeno en gude me cha kwanya ala general a kech tong a liu and gwal cha ja kwanytin ala general security bureau rewi ka sosdan chu agujeno take midite long me benong rewi ka sosdan midite long chune tu wan long chulo yin chuo tet me chaja kwan ko lat ke jeno president of South Sudan Kir Mayadi no ejen is looking for solution gore ne solution ke gore ne duob mi be mal be ben ka jare wi ka South Sudan ajen duobe dan e kwan ke wudeme and general akech tong jen kwan ge ko chagi jeno te tu wan ke te go te chanen ke je chaje liak longone gwate dan e kwan ge ten and duobe dan en waje wo ke je ngu man wot ke je ngu jen dan balin gwasme ngu mu wot ke je wudeme ka do bana chalat ke je no wot ke je ano awajen kan ko den ling kana kwar ne kirma yadit awajen te karamishe promote kiramishe nang niam mishe kwany mishe lat kana china security alaramo mo kan kirma yadit kan te ngaiten ngai kone national security beje long mishe rano tene jeno gwadana ti tindiala kon le rodin kuma ga tegeten kuinde karamo mo kan kirma yadit ngach awa shogorno beje leldi beje wuch no mo kel ko sharana national security je laslet a quick kirma yadide ajena dana chagui chikirma yadi te gunyo dong te kama balat jen gude me dong be kube to ke be kumbe kan teram ngaje who knows so ajen akela mandan an woke je man da dien gwasame you know alla fonde en gude me ke general akech awajen te karamiche woch mila officer millet ko yal sector ramilet gwaliet wache de kapchon ka oyal fil ramlet gwaliedo wa ken kirma yadit kana jeling you know akiri mishalade amijiak diodien mo woy keja wajen te karami shawe lade jeki she dwech ka blue hours waramo mo officers metere tijien awash wuda me che jodwe ke che jamo kerek you know karamadan en cha dwech awajen aramkel munake kirma yadit ka dobrana shalat keje ramomo awa aramkel munokire milen ngwane pinkir you know kojen te karamiche wugujeno da jakko betikarek reiti jen you know no mo kele wa mishro da ladan tama gwaye kay gwas me gorje en obaje kwen ya ka tok english kene dial an konti chodi an lat en gwasamo ka duoba dana wo ke wude shal ke general akechene chana jemeling be kel gor no be nyo na sin ko ken ano mi jiram no tok english ling bi shudeten kam mi jiram no go tok english chibling dong bi shujen ba gwasme ke biliap amenemi shakon to kaja Guasime, the appointment of General Akesh Tong Aliu as the Director General of the National Security Service Internal Security Bureau was met with high expectation. However, his tenure quickly became controversial due to the action of his close associates, who engaged in harassment and intimidation of those already working in the institution. His leadership style and decision not only created division within the security apparatus but also ultimately led to his removal from the position. Some of key issues leading to his removal. Number one, unauthorized promotion. One of the most contentious issues during General Ake's time in office was the promotion of national security officers without the knowledge of approval of the President Kir Mayadit. In a structured security system, promotion follows chain command, ensuring that competency and merit are prioritized. By passing the highest authority in the country, General Akech undermined the institutional hierarchy and decision-making process. Number two, unilateral restructuring of the oil sector security. Another major issue was his decision to remove all officers working in the oil sectors and replace them with individuals exclusively from his own clan. This move raised a serious concern about nepotism and tribalism or tribal favoritism, creating tension within the security forces. The oil sector is a critical part of the national economy, and its security should be handled by competent and experienced officers, not individuals selected based on ethnic affiliation. Number three, targeting officers at the Blue House. General Ake reportedly harassed officers at the Blue House, accusing them of being loyalists to his predecessors, General Akol Korkuch. This reflected a lack of understanding that national institutions serve the country, not individual leaders. A newly appointed official should work with all personnel to enhance institutional effectiveness rather than alienating those who were already in service. The hope for better leadership. The tenure of General Aketong Aliu served as a reminder of the consequences of leadership driven by favoritism, intimidation, and unilateral decision. South Sudan needs a security leader who prioritizes national unity, professionalism, and institutional integrity over personal or clan-based interests. As General Akej exits with the state, we hope he never hold any position of power again in this country, say by senior SPLM member. His leadership style has shown that he was unfit to lead a national institution that requires discipline, fairness, and inclusivity. Going forward, appointment to key security positions should be based on competence, patriotism, and the ability to serve all citizens equally. So, shimishaling would me charge a wicketing content chalat. Shirman chalat in a winner. Point a wake a cojan chamat. Let's say it waka blue out ski rated and what take a dinty chayan kel ka akul korkush. A wakan did rush a target rated janakokan a ngaikan a matkan kadobe dane shakul korkush. Ramedane qua lawoj me by the kulat guade. She won over a target. Chagu no makel melare kaja. Mono dina wa ne ti koni let ko yal field sector chaka weekend yal chuko moy kenega chalar no ne ti ne be chak ngok blat ke kwishi ni ramme ko adama ramme nyima ramme wada ramme all that chak blat chagu jeno chene ne latin ke ne de marka je chagu jeno mo nepotism ka kuje mo che ronko betre kwarka chwaje gorno baje wekeje kan dub yala konin shaling neme agenda le rodere wike so Sudan quick conmen beto ko korga sen be do know for now men ngai kona wo chi kir ma yadit chene diala content tin guje no dara wo chaka wo amane ne tin kon tin la jes pele mai wo chaka wo ba agenda no gode nywa yekel biatika mal bye bye.